This is a brand new RC truck sent to me by DRC, the 1/16 scale 9500E. This is an absolutely fantastic little truck. It's pretty fast and I've enjoyed running this guy. Jumping ramps and everything else with it. It's been fantastic. So let me tell you a little bit about it. So the 9500E has 4-wheel drive independent suspension, upgraded shock absorbers, and a dual alloy differential. And it also has dual motors fully covered with a heat sink. And it's even got some pretty wide all-terrain tires on it. The PVC car shell body is reinforced. It is a 1/16 scale, and in the right conditions, it can achieve speeds up to 40 kilometers per hour. And it comes with 2 batteries with 20 minutes of runtime each, and a 2.4 gigahertz transmitter that requires 2 AA batteries, which are not included. This is an absolutely fantastic little car. I'm looking forward to getting out and running it even more, and I hope to provide you with even more information on my total experience with the DRC 9500E. I hope this has been beneficial for you. Make sure you check down in the description because I currently have coupon codes which will give you a nice percentage off of your purchase. Have an absolutely fantastic day, and I look forward to talking to you again in a future video.